How to get rid of crossed out bell icon on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your iPhone. From your list of chats, tap on the conversation that you wish to mute. Inside the chat, tap the contact's name at the top. On this screen, find the Hide Alerts option and turn off the toggle switch. This will mute all notifications for this specific conversation. Alternatively, from the main messages list, you can simply swipe left on a conversation. Then, tap on the bell icon to mute the chat. To unmute it, swipe left on the conversation again and tap the bell icon once more. Next to the conversation, you won't be able to see the muted symbol anymore. Following these steps, you can easily get rid of the crossed out bell icon on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.